It's probably about 2 o'clock on Tuesday, second day of this little adventure. I've just drilled the first 4 holes, there they are, and pegged them. I sort of dry fitted it last night, actually in the dark, with my little light, and was pretty happy that things seem to come together. Now, it's going to get a little trickier as I go along, making sure everything fits as well as it can with the sort of limitations I have, which is that I'm just me, but it's going well. Day 3, blessed again with good weather. So I've got the first frame all pegged, ready to go. Ran into some trouble yesterday. The generator sort of packed it in about halfway through, not even halfway. Wasn't sure what I was going to do, so went over to Janet's, and she suggested maybe her portable battery powered unit over there, a DeWalt. And I tested it out last night at home, and it actually cut with this bit, and made it through this morning. It's fantastic. And now I'm about to start the second side. It's going to go on top of this one, face the other way. And I've got some folks, Shirley and Jan and Bob. They're going to come down about 2 o'clock today and see if we can raise this thing. This is working out better than I hoped. It's probably about, I don't know, half an hour, 40 minutes into this second side. Going well, drill's working well. It's about 10 minutes after 1, something like that. And I managed to get it done, which is surprising, actually. The drill held out really well, and my crew is going to arrive here something around 2 o'clock, something like that, and we'll see if we can raise this thing. Now, I don't think we're going to be able to, but we'll give it a try. Bob showed up a few minutes ago, and we tried to lift this thing, and that's not going to happen. So Jan and Shirley just came by, and we had a little discussion, and Jan's gone off to get the skid steer, and we're going to give this a shot. She's got some ideas, and we got lots of ratchet straps, and we're gonna give it a go. It's very exciting, Shirley. We've never seen this kind of action here.
Jan, the Picasso skid steer.
Here comes Jan. It's quite an operation here. First side up.
Don't you show this to anybody at Mohawk, or they're not going to come out.
Mohawk, this is going on YouTube.
Yeah, they're not going to come to my place. They're going to say, oh, she can do it by herself.
So anyway, real success. Hey, Janet?
Yes.
Look at this.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and no one was hurt.
Not yet.
And we got a little more work to do in the spring. So I say we, I meant me.
Yep.
But you know what I meant.
Yep. She's underway.
And
a big party.
Big party. I'm very happy.